Hello everybody. You may remember back in March Roger bought a Colocasia bulb, a giant Colocasia, and planted it, and believe it or not it needed repotting by July. So here's a reminder of the video he made and what I did in July to repot it.
It's a Colocasia, but it's more than just a Colocasia. It's a giant Colocasia Esculenta. It was £5.99p. I thought that was pretty good really. So today I'm going to put it into a pot, get it started.
So believe it or not, this is 3 months growth. So we start off with some multi-purpose compost and a slightly bigger pot than we had before, obviously, but not too large. Although saying that, it's needed repotting since, so maybe I should have gone for a bigger pot in the first place. Half fill your pot. There's no need to tease the roots, just place the Colocasia into the pot and then fill around the edges with the compost. Once you've firmed down the compost, water the plant with lots of rainwater, and then don't forget to put your label back in. So this is the giant Colocasia Esculenta. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share. And here's the plant in its splendour. Thank you.